that the children of the believers, now all children that would die before the age of puberty are not accountable. They have the reward with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what about the believers who sent forth their children, whose children were taken away from them? He said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the children of the believers are on a mountain outside of or in Al-Jannah, around the outskirts of Al-Jannah. Yakfuluhum Ibrahim wa Sarah. Ibrahim and Sarah are taking care of them. Ibrahim and Sarah are taking care of them until they give them back on the Day of Judgment. What more do you want than that? That the parents know that their child transitions and they are in the hands of our father Ibrahim alayhi salam and his wife, taking care of them, giving them that warmth until the Day of Judgment when they find their parents in front of the gates of Jannah and insist on entering them into Al-Jannah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow all of those who have suffered this tremendous loss to realize this tremendous reward. Allahumma ameen.